Thanks for joining me. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your AeroGarden. Whether you're getting ready to replant it or getting ready to store it, either way, it's really easy to clean. So let's get to it. This is In the Garden. Today's video is going to be really short and really simple. It's the 7th video in my series on the AeroGarden. Today, I'm just going to show you how to quickly clean your AeroGarden to either store it or get ready to replant it. It's really simple, so let's get to it. The first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the power from the AeroGarden. You don't need the pump running or the light on while you clean it. Next, if you still have plants in your AeroGarden, you're going to want to remove those. Just cut them out, remove them however you need to get them out of the AeroGarden tray. When removing the plants, be sure that the sponge on the pump in the bottom of the reservoir doesn't come out with the roots of the plants. If your plants have been growing for a long time, it's likely that the roots have grown into that sponge and they're going to pull it out when you remove the plants. So make sure you check the roots, check the unit, and make sure that you still have that filter sponge on the pump. Once you have the plants out of the AeroGarden, you're going to remove the reservoir from the AeroGarden unit. You're going to unplug the cord from it so it comes out completely disconnected. While you're cleaning your AeroGarden, you're not going to want to submerge or rinse off the actual base part of the AeroGarden. You're only going to want to rinse off the reservoir portion. So make sure you disconnect that from the rest before cleaning it. You're going to drain the water from the AeroGarden. If you have plant food in the water, feel free to use this water to water other things such as houseplants. There's no reason just to throw it out if you have another use for it. Next, you're going to remove the filter sponge from the pump in the bottom of the unit. You're going to take this out and remove any roots that have grown through it, and then you're going to rinse it off. Next, you're going to rinse out the reservoir unit under running water. Don't completely submerge this unit because it does have electrical parts in it, so you're only going to get the inside portion wet, the portion that's usually filled with water. If there's areas that need to be cleaned further than just rinsing, you can use a clean sponge to wipe those areas. Don't use your kitchen sponge that you've already been washing dishes with and things like that, because you don't want to introduce bacteria or detergents, cleaner, soap into your AeroGarden. You're going to use a brand new clean sponge with nothing on it, only water. Once you have the AeroGarden rinsed out and clean, you can dry it off with a clean towel. Dry off the outside as well. Place the filter sponge back into the reservoir in the slot next to the pump. Place the reservoir unit back into the base of the AeroGarden. If you're getting ready to replant, make sure you plug this back in. If you're getting ready to store it, you don't need to plug it in because you're not going to be using it. Repeat the same process with the tray that the plants sit in. You're going to rinse it under water, and then if you need to, use a clean sponge to clean any areas that need additional cleaning. Once you have it clean, you're going to dry it off and place it back onto the reservoir unit. You can clean the rest of the base and the outside of your AeroGarden with just a damp cloth. If you have the digital control panel, just be gentle with it so you don't accidentally damage it while cleaning. If you have one of the stainless steel models like I have, you can use a little bit of stainless steel cleaner to clean the outside to get rid of any fingerprints or smudges that are on it. You want to be careful that you don't get any of the stainless steel cleaner inside of the AeroGarden. So you're not going to spray it directly on it. You're going to spray it first on a clean rag and then just wipe the outside of the AeroGarden. So that's all there is to cleaning your AeroGarden. It's really simple, really easy. You don't need to use any detergents or anything else on your AeroGarden. Just water and a clean sponge, a rag, and if you need to polish the stainless steel on the outside, you can use a little bit of stainless steel cleaner. Other than that, it's really simple. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and consider subscribing so you can get all my latest videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.